Dude, I got so wasted yesterday. Today I feel like a bus just ran me over. I'm gonna head over to El Bosque de la Primavera. It has a hot river that I just wanna dip my body into. Let's roll. El Bosque de la Primavera is just west of the metropolitan area of Guadalajara. I always take buses when I travel. To get here, we're going to take 2 buses, and it's going to drop us off at El Pueblo de la Primavera. There's the bus, and it dropped me off right there. We're almost there. We're just going to cross this small pueblo called La Primavera. We're going to walk through the forest for 1 hour until we reach the river. Look at this food. It looks so amazing. Salsas, fried tacos, beans, roasted chicken, tortillas, chilies. I mean, this is wonderful, and it smells wonderful as well. And Mexican pueblos are another vibe. Look at that gorgeous architecture, the arcs, the plants. I love these little string things they hang up. It's just the whole vibe, I'm telling you. Okay, I reached the forest. There's the banner. And honestly, you don't have to be nervous or afraid to come out to these places. They're very popular and they're very well protected. They have forest rangers out here, and it's just a family-friendly place. And for people coming into the park on foot, it's a 3 peso charge. If you're in a car, it's 30 pesos. And I'm not sure what the fee is for camping. Buenos días, amigos. This was a longer walk. It took me about an hour, but that's because El Bosque de la Primavera is a protected area with 305 kilometers square. It's mainly a pine oak forest, and it's got 20 streams running year-round. Honestly, if you like nature, this is a beautiful place. This is to all the conservationists all over the world. This is a true story. When I was in my teens, there was nothing here, and the government of Zapopan started planting trees. These were all saplings when I was in my teenage years. And look at it now. Trees take a long time to grow, but these are the efforts that conservationists do and achieve. This is beautiful. Thank you to all the conservationists all over the world. Beautiful. Hey, if you made it this far, you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. A subscribe would help the channel a lot. And I'm always looking for things to do around the Guadalajara area that anybody can do and almost anybody could enjoy. Okay, so let's just head down to the river. This river is the one that's running through El Bosque de la Primavera, and this area is actually an inactive volcanic area. Therefore, the water is actually very warm to the touch. I mean, it is beautiful. The locals say that this water is so hot that you can boil an egg. I was gonna bring an egg with me, but knowing me, I would have cracked it along the way. But it certainly looks hot to me. Scientists say the Earth took about 4 billion years to develop, so on a geological time scale, El Bosque de la Primavera was born yesterday. It was born from a series of volcanic eruptions somewhere between 20,000 and 120,000 years ago. Amigo, ¿cómo se llama?
¿Qué tal? Yo soy Alex.
Órale, Alex. Amigo, ¿qué le atrae de este lugar?
Pues en realidad las aguas termales son una cosa que me encantan, son muy significativas en otras culturas, ya sea como la oriental y pues la latinoamericana tiene que ver muchas cosas relevantes. En general, México está lleno de muchos lugares rurales muy hermosos, tiene mucha naturaleza bastante padre y en general les recomiendo venir, pero si vienen solo no se metan a esas aguas.
Y amigo, una preguntita.
Dígame.
¿Se siente seguro aquí?
Claro, no sé si es un instinto mexicano o algo parecido, pero desde siempre me he sentido seguro. Simplemente hay zonas o lugares donde claramente no es para todos. Es ya una cultura general que se hace aquí.
Órale, amigo, muchísimas gracias. Que le vaya bien y que se disfrute el día. I'm just going down the river. I want to find a little area that, you know, somewhat secluded. I'm gonna put my shorts on and just dip my body in that water. I'm telling you, I have a hangover, and that warm water is gonna do me just right. How beautiful is this? Anyways, this is gonna be my spot. I'm gonna dip my body into these warm volcanic waters. Dude, this water just feels so good. In fact, it's so hot, you have to kind of take your time getting in. It's like a sauna. Oh my God. This is amazing and relaxing, bathing in these volcanic waters. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. And remember, I love each and every one of you. Peace.